What's going on, everyone? So today we're back on the Chevy Sonic. Today we're going to actually jump in and change this out. We're going to take out the battery. We're going to do a little more space to work. It's not as tough as it might seem. It's not like there's a whole bunch of individual little wires that we have to worry about, because there's going to be 3 huge harnesses underneath here. I checked it out. I went to a junkyard to kind of visualize it and take it apart and practice. And it turned out it's not so tough, but you know, not the easiest, but not the toughest. But we're going to get into it. I did, of course, they don't make these anymore, but I ordered a quote-unquote new one, not a brand new one, but one that's hopefully good. And we're going to switch that. As you can see, this one, I've been having to run this jumper wire, this down into the starter relay, into the ground pin there, which is totally not correct, and run it to the negative terminal. And I think it's because something's wrong in here. So I'm just going to try to change this out, even if it doesn't work. At least you'll know how to do it from this video. First thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove the entire battery. Just get it clear here. There's 2 guys here. These are nuts. This is 10 millimeter. See? Got the electric, goes pretty quick with the power tools. Then you have these 3 bolts right here. These just loosen up. There's some tabs on the sides there. I'm going to just try to lift the tab. There's one there, there's one in the back here. And when I lift the tab, I just lift it up ever so slightly. It's kind of hard to get to. And in there, once all those 3 tabs, I hope you can see it comes up. There, simple as that. Now, underneath here, you can see there's 2. These are 2 of the harnesses, and there's one more here. Pull right out. Just like that. And these 3 that go down in here. Other than that, it's just going to lift this thing off here that we already removed the nut earlier. And that's literally it. The whole fuse box comes out. Look at it, and honestly, it looks fine to me, but also, I do know that the ground is right, that I was having an issue with, is this little tab here. I don't see any issues with it there. It's right here. I don't see any issues with it there either, to be fair. Let's go grab the replacement and see what happens. The new one that I got is right here. And it's got some numbers written on the side, and it comes with everything, including the bottom part. Lift that, so this side comes up a little bit. Lift this one, so this side comes up a little bit. And you go on this side. Oops, I think one of them might have popped back in, but once all 3 are up, it comes apart. I don't think this is going to fix it. It's just but it's such a quick fix that it's worth a try. On the road again.